Hello guys, welcome to our channel Your Tutorial Tech. I know you guys came here because all of you don't have Gboard on your phone. So without any further discussion, let's move to the video. For a demo, I have Mint keyboard on my phone, but I want Gboard on it. First of all, go to the Play Store and search for Gboard and install it. Once it installed, this is the time to apply it. For this, go to the settings and search for Gboard and tap on it. Here tap on preferences and scroll down to the bottom. Here you can see show app icon, so turn on it and you will get the Gboard application on your home screen. Then open the app and slide a bar. Here you can see select input method, so tap on it and choose the Gboard option. To check it, go to any app where you can type. For example, I open the notes. Now here you can see Gboard is enabled on your phone. If this video helped you, then make sure to hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos.